There's sun, there's Earth. Earth has magnetic fields around it.
Where's the moon?
North and south magnetic fields. And the sun shoots stuff at us. The sun is kind of a practical joker. It likes to shoot us with bullets that are really fast. They travel at about 1/10 the speed of light, and they hit us. They try to hit us anyway. And they come shooting in, and some of them get deflected by the magnetic field and come to the North Pole, and some of them get deflected and go to the South Pole. These are called charged particles, because some of them are either positive charge or negative charge. As those charges build up on the Earth, they help create thunderstorms, anvil clouds,
Lightning bolt.
lightning bolts come down.
Actually, they come up from the red dog.
If you have a cloud and it happens to meet some wind going this way that's warm and wet, and it happens to meet some wind going that way that's cold and dry, sometimes right where they meet, they can create spinning air. At first, the air spins sideways like this.
Gas.
Kind of a really slow sideways tornado.
Awesome.
But under certain circumstances, the sideways spinning tornado can all of a sudden start bending downwards and create what we call a tornado. Of course, somebody said, hey, a tornado came by, picked up some straw, like, a piece of weed or grass, and drove it into a telephone pole or through a palm tree or something like that.
Yeah.
And winds of 300 miles an hour can happen in a tornado. We can show you a simple example. I've just put an air gun here. I put some oil in it so it's slippery inside. We'll just put a pencil in there.
Everybody cover your heads. Drive it through the roof.
Headshot.
We're going to point it at this cardboard box. Aim it right down about there.
Did it not make me oil?
Use an oil splotch.
Yeah.
And still, it just barely flattened out the end of the lid. Mr. First, he put goggles on his knees so they could see underwater. There you go. Like that. And he put swim fins on. There. And then he tied a big rock to their head with duct tape. There. Now, the minions could sink this way, otherwise they would float. And he would give them other rocks, and they'd go down there and they start building his castle. And pretty soon, evil Mr. Fred had a full-fledged castle underwater. His minions were learning how to hold their breath for 45 minutes. We'll turn on the fan. And we'll give it some light.
Good spot.
And we'll give it some fog.
Whoa. Tornado!
There's water there. There's no water there. I want the water to go from there to there.
Flip it.
Flip it. Okay, so I flip it over. There's 4 different kinds of bottles. Please do not unscrew them from themselves. You have to figure out which ones are different from the others. Each person is going to get one, and you don't get to swirl it, or shake it, or poke it, or squeeze it until everybody has one.
But I think this one.
Now,
Yeah, but this is my favorite color, so.
Hang on a second.
if you're less than 20 feet tall, you're probably better off standing on the table.
Oh, come on.
Some of them
Tornado!
should be easy. Some of them
I'm doing it.
should be hard.
I can do it.
Now I want you to hand your tornado maker to the person clockwise from you. Everybody should have a new one now. And see if it works any different from the one that you had.
Cool! Yeah!